Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on and turn off over-typing on iPhone. So if you want to disable or enable over-typing on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or turn off over-typing on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the settings app. On your iPhone settings, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page, just keep scrolling to get to accessories. Now locate and click on keyboards and typing. Once you selected keyboard and typing, locate and click on over typing. Now to turn on over typing, toggle over typing on, then you should see over typing enabled. To turn off over typing, if over typing is enabled already, toggle this off, then you should see over typing disabled. And then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn on or turn off over typing on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.